So guys, like I said before, I want to post on YouTube the ritual practice. But we will start with the basics first. Basic means breathing technique. So, first important thing is you need to find a place where you can be at peace. So, it can be your altar if you have one, it can be nature, it can be a room. Focus on you. You need to get your head quiet. Yes, so breathing technique. You have multiple techniques that work. The most modern way to get you into the state is really simple. Imagine a circle. So the circle is like 4 seconds. So for 4 seconds we breathe in. Fill your whole body with it. Then breathe out for 3 seconds. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you practice this and repeat it for as long as your head needs to get quiet. So first it starts like, what did I need to do today? What is the purpose of this day? And so on. Forget it. It's 5 minutes of your time, 5 minutes just focus on you. So 5 minutes only breathing, keeping your head quiet. And after that we go further. So you repeat this circle as long as it needs to get your head quiet. Maybe it's not happening in the first time, maybe it's taken in the second or third or fourth time, but consistency is the key. Every day you have 5 minutes for yourself. 5 minutes you need to focus on you. So 5 minutes just practicing the breathing technique. So one more time. And out. Really simple. Make yourself comfortable, sit, lie down, standing. What is best for you. This whole practice is only for you. Not nobody else, don't want to teach anybody else. It's just to get you to the place where your head can get quiet and you feel better every day, a little peace. And when you did that, tomorrow we'll do another video, and in that video I will show you the next practice. Yes? Stay healthy, stay focused.